You often hear photographers and artists and cinematographers talking about Rembrandt lighting, but you don't actually see too many examples of what exactly it is in the first place. So that's why I wanted to create this video. You can go way in depth about what Rembrandt's style was and what he was after, but really what people are talking about when they're discussing the topic is this little triangle that forms right here from the light source being about at a 45-degree angle to the subject. So that's why I did it right now. I only have one light. It's a Octabox with a diffuser and an egg crate in front of it, and not an actual egg crate. You're gonna have to Google that one. It's like a little grid that goes in front of the light, and that's it. And I think you can add more lights, but I think this simplified lighting really illustrates it easy enough. So what you're looking at right now is this little triangle, upside down pyramid of light that's created because the light is getting a little bit blocked by your nose and creating enough shadow right here, and right where your cheek ends and goes to your eye. That makes that little upside down triangle. And that's about it. Now you can understand what people are talking about when they're discussing Rembrandt lighting.